our Ginoong San Jose 2026 winners, Ed and Bertie. Can you introduce yourself once again to our viewers with your respective titles?
Okay, I'm Edgardo Austria Jr. from Sitio Old, Bosu Boso, your Ginoong San Jose 2026.
My name is John Kirby Aviles, proudly representing Sitio Boso-Boso, your Ginoong San Jose, first runner-up.
Ang bongga naman ng Old Buso-Buso.
Ah,
Back to back kayo ngayong gabi. Ano nararamdaman nyo?
we're so happy because of the months of preparation and the willingness to represent our isolated area, Bosu Boso. We want to bring this crown to our community and celebrate it with them.
I am greatly grateful for all of the people who supported me, who teaches me to, to win the crown. And yeah, I am so grateful right now.
Ayun. Na subaybayan ko mga journeys nyo from your previous pageants. Ano ang significance or importansya nitong pagkapanalo nyo after so many tries?
Definitely, this is a really unexpected, but we enjoy the journey. And what we promised to the organization that if we able to have the title, we're going to work very hard to represent Antipolo in the national or international stage.
Someone who have been experienced a lot of failure, that shaped the man who I am today. And now I am representing not just San Jose, but the whole Antipolo with pride, purpose, and integrity. And that is so much to thank for. Thank you.
So Ed, saan kang national pageant lalaban?
Definitely, I will compete in Mr. Earth Philippines this upcoming this year. I'm not really I don't know yet the month. Yeah, Coronadal, definitely Coronadal. I don't know if it's going to be September or November.
September siya.
Yeah, September. So I'm going a few months of preparation, but there's nothing impossible if you have your willingness.
Ikaw, Kirby, saan ka magko-compete na?
That would be Mr. of the Globe. And honestly, sobrang hindi lang ako makapaniwala kasi dati parang putyo-putyo pageant lang, and now aakyat na ako sa bigger stage. So I am really grateful for all the people who supported me.
Right. And lastly, your message to all of your supporters and loved ones.
This is really a remarkable moment for those people who keep behind my back, especially God who strengthened me, my handlers, Team Ravenna. I'm so grateful to have you, my friends, the organization, my mentors, and definitely myself who works really hard.
I would definitely first thank my mother for encouraging me to try pageants, to step out of my comfort zone. Siya ang dahilan kung bakit ako nagko-compete para maka-inspire ng mga tao, and most importantly, siya ang dahilan kung bakit ako andito. And sa girlfriend ko na tinulungan ako all throughout this pageant, I am really, really grateful to have you because ikaw yung nagsilbing strength ko, ng inspiration ko for this pageant. And most importantly, to the organization, tinulungan nyo kaming improve yung sarili namin para maging kung sino man kami ngayon. That would be all.
Okay, once again, congratulations, our Mr. of the Globe Antipolo City, Philippines 2026, John Kirby Aviles, and our Mr. Earth Philippines Antipolo City 2026, and Garden Austria. And good luck sa mga national pageants. I'll see you in the nationals.
Thank you.